Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's our topic is value of small g on the surface of the earth. Small g means, as you know, that small g is the acceleration due to gravity. As we have seen earlier, acceleration due to gravity small g and capital G in the Newton's universal law of gravitation. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant and small g is the acceleration due to gravity. The value of this acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth can be calculated with the help of the Newton's law of gravitation. Newton has explained in his universal law of gravitation and has obtained a formula for the force, and that force is F equal to capital G m divided by r square. This capital F is the force exerted between the two objects, and this capital G is the universal gravitational constant. This m is the mass of one object and this small m is mass of another object, and this r is the distance between the centers of the two objects. Now, if we consider one object as the earth and another object which is situated above the surface of the earth, and its distance is suppose small r from the center of the earth. Suppose its height is h from the surface of the earth, so therefore this r equal to capital R plus h, where capital R is the radius of the earth and h is the height of the object from the surface of the earth. ये जो surface of the earth है, ये अगर अर्थ कंसिडर करें, ये उसका सेंटर, suppose O, this is the radius of the earth and the object is situated here. Its mass is suppose small m and its height is from the surface it is h and from the center it is small r. And here if we consider small m as the mass of that object, mass of the object situated here at a distance small r from the center of the earth, then this capital F equal to Gmm divided by r square. And if we take another force, that is the weight of the object, F equal to mg. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. If we compare these two equations, then we will get mg equal to Gmm divided by r square. Mm get cancelled, so this g equal to Gm divided by r square. From this equation, we can calculate the value of the g on the surface of the earth, Gm by r square. Suppose the body or the object is on the surface of earth, then this r must be equal to capital R, that is the radius of the earth. That will be equal to the radius of the earth because the object is now on the surface. Therefore, small r equal to capital R. Therefore, we can write this equation g equal to Gm divided by r square. From this equation, we can calculate the value of g on the surface of the earth. हम ये स्मॉल g की वैल्यू इस फार्मूले के ज़रिए से मालूम कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हमारे पास इसके मुख्तलिफ कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं। कैपिटल जी की वैल्यू आपको मालूम है, कैपिटल एम की वैल्यू, यानी कि दिस इज द मास ऑफ द अर्थ, दिस आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. We know all the constants, all the values here. If we put the values here, capital G is 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 11 multiplied by this mass of the earth, and the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 divided by this r square, means the radius whole square, and the radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. If we convert this kilometer into meter, then we will get 6400 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 meter, and if we write this as 6.4 into 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 meter, so it will become 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 meter. If we take this value here, 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 whole square. If we simplify this equation, we will get the value 9.77 meter per second square. So the value of small g is considered as 9.77 meter per second square, and this value is constant for all the objects. It does not depend on the mass of the object, whether the mass is large or small, whether the object is much larger or much smaller, the value of g is always constant. ये जो स्मॉल g की वैल्यू है ये हर ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए सेम रहेगी, चाहे ऑब्जेक्ट कितना भी बड़ा हो या ऑब्जेक्ट छोटा हो, हर एक के लिए ये वैल्यू कांस्टेंट ही होती है, और तमाम सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ के लिए इसको कांस्टेंट ही कंसीडर किया जाता है.